Good morning. Our next topic is how to name coordinate compounds in detail. हाँ जी बेटा. Now suppose beta compound is cobalt 6 ammonia Cl3. According to the rules, we have to name number of ligand first. This is hexaamine. Amine is for ligand ammonia, then cobalt. As you know, the state of cobalt is 3, so it is a chloride. ठीक है, chloride. So hexaamine, cobalt, state is 3, chloride. Okay. Now suppose next compound is so in this compound number of ammonia are 4, number of water ligand 2. So this is a tetraamine. For 2 we use word di, aqua for water. Then again cobalt, its state is 3, chloride. So tetraamine, diaqua, cobalt, 3, chloride. Now in this complex, now it is ion. This is complex ion. As you know, name of this ion as this is a sodium ion. Sodium ion. So name ends in ion. So similarly, when we name this complex ion, in the last we write it as ion. Okay. So its name is tetraaqua. Tetraaqua. Its name is ethylene diamine, chromium. Now state is this is neutral ligand. What is again neutral? Its state is 3. Chromium 3 ion. Now in this case square bracket carries a positive charge. Now consider one example. Suppose this is the complex sign. In this case charge on the square bracket is -3. According to the rules, if a square bracket carries a negative charge, then name of metal ends in 8. Name of metal ends in 8. Then its name, so this become hexa. Hexa, this is cyano. This ligand is negative. The name of ligand also ends in O. So this is hexa. Hexacyano. This is the ferrate. Why ferrate? Because square bracket carries a negative charge. The name of metal ends in 8. This is a positively charged complex ion. So this is simply a chromium. So ferrate, this is again its state is 3 and it is a ion. So this is hexacyanoferrate 3, it is ion. Consider 2 more examples. So this is cobalt, En, Gly, ammonia twice and +3. So it starts with A, its name starts with G, its name starts with E. So first we name ammonia. So this is a diamine. diamine. Then name of En is ethylene diamine. For G it is glycineto. Why netto? Because this ligand is negative, it is neutral, it carries -1 charge. So word is glycineto, O for this negative charge. Then cobalt 3, state is 3. Now this carries the +2 charge, so +3 ion. Okay? So this is the name of this compound. Now consider this negatively charged. Complex ion. Now for this name is, this is chloro, this is nitro, this is chloro. So C come first. This is trichloro, trinitro. Now this carries negative charge. Now first of all its state, NO2 -3, Cl -3, so state is +3. As square bracket carries -3 charge, so name of this cobalt ends in 8. So this is cobaltate 3. Then we have iron. So this is iron, this is again iron, this is simply a cobalt, this is cobaltate. Okay. Now consider this compound nickel CN4. Now here we have a K2. So due to potassium, charge on the square bracket is -2, Cn carries -4. So for this it should be in +2. So name, it is potassium tetracyano. Now nickel, as it is negative, so this is nickelate 2. It is nickelate 2. For example, consider one example more. So this is, let it be nickel CO4. In this case, there is no spaces outside the bracket, so charge is 0. CO is neutral. Nickel, it should be also in 0 state. So this is tetracarbonyl. Nickel, so this is 0, non-nickelate because charge is neutral. ठीक है बेटे? ओके बेटा, थैंक यू.